The original M2 for us was a real game changer in terms of just performance, that people hadn't seen that combination of distance and height. So trying to follow that up is not an easy feat. But what we want to do is say, let's take all the benefit we have and add some more, right? So add even more speed, more height, but then include something new, which is better, greater consistency. It was really important to add face slots on the new M2. We were able to give distance, height, and now forgiveness as well. We weren't able to do that on the original M2 because we wanted to just get as low CG as we could. But with the new M2, we were able to even take out way more mass from different places in the head, make it lower, and be able to add the face slots and still get that flexibility while maintaining that low CG.
We sort of farmed out mass from high points on the head, which enabled us to distribute those lower and create a lower CG. There's now 6 flutes instead of 8. They're larger and they're actually deeper, so they remove more material from the hosel. We've removed mass from the top line and the undercut of the top line in the head design.
In the new M2, we have this concept called geoacoustic performance. The geoacoustic performance is a combination of geometry and acoustics. And we're doing that through 2 separate elements. So on the one hand, it's the geometry in the head, and on the other hand, it's the badge in the back of the club, which controls the damping of the sound. This badge essentially controls the sound, reduces the amount of sound to produce a really nice, soft, solid feel at impact.
With our testing on the new M2, we found that your off-center hits are not dropping off as far as it would be without face slots.
Shots that you might have hit a little bit on the toe that fell short, maybe landed in a bunker. Now those will carry a bit farther, carry that bunker, and land on the green. With an iron, that's really what you're trying to achieve.
The M2 is really designed for every golfer out there. It's got forgiveness, it's got distance, it's easy to play, and it's got a great look and feel to it as well. So we really think that it approaches a lot of golfers looking for more performance in their games.